Hi guys, welcome back to His Plans, My Planner. I thought I would do a quick little unboxing of a new pen and highlighter container I wanted to get for my desk. I normally don't have them out, but I enjoy looking at them and having them outside of a drawer. I don't have any storage like that on top of my desk. So I grabbed this one. There's several different colors, but I got this beige color for about $9. It came with this kind of non-slip pad, which I think would be great for a desk if your desk was kind of slippery, but I don't think this is going to slip around on my desk once it's filled and weighted down with pens and things. So you can see it does spin very smoothly, and I really like that about it. It's not clunky or just make a lot of noise. And what I'm going to do is this is the pen bag that I've kind of been holding my pens in when I'm at my bedside or at my desk, and I'm just going to take them all out. It's just a bag I got for free somewhere. I'm just grabbing all my fine point Sharpies and putting those together in the first section. I like using these for the translucent Post-its and my plastic tabs that I put in planners or Bibles. The next set of pens, of course, are going to be my Papermate flares, and I love using these for pretty much writing in anything. Not so much in Bibles, but I can get away with it in one or two of my Bibles. And then the next section I'm kind of looking at is just from my miscellaneous pens and things. My pens, pencils, random highlighters, just things that I don't normally use in my Bible or planner, but I just like to have miscellaneous ones of. It also includes my erasable pens. And then next up, I'm looking at all my Tombos, and I have a couple sets of Tombos. I have two sets here of my color coding system, which consists of 6 colors that I use for my Bible studying. And I thought I would separate the two sets between a brighter set and a pastel set. And then I have a set in my actual Bible bag, so I don't have to go back and forth. But this lower outside sections, they're actually shorter than that middle one. So I decided I'm going to put them all in the middle one to help stand up these taller highlighters. And then for my last section, I actually got the Believe highlighters, and I got them in the candy set. I have the vibrant set, which I really love, but I'm glad I got the candy set. I didn't go for the big huge box set because I know I won't use all of those, but this candy set is perfect for my color coding system. It has all 6 of the colors I use, and it also has 2 extras, and that there's a purple in it that I absolutely love. It's called Thistle. So now you can see from that it spins very nicely, very smoothly. It's not clunky, and from the side profile, it's just great to see all my colors just highlighted for me and ready to go.